So with our univariate ANOVA, we have a nominal variable such as pet with 3 types, cat, dog, and iguana, and these are coded as 1, 2, and 3. And then we have a scale variable or even an interval variable such as cuteness, which is where individuals say how cute they think the animal is based on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being low, 10 being high. And we're trying to see is there a difference among these 3 levels of our pet variable on cuteness. So we're going to go under Analyze, General Linear Model, Univariate. Uni means we have one dependent variable. Then we're going to click cuteness over to our dependent variable, and pet will be our fixed factor. Then we're going to go under Options, and we're going to request descriptive statistics that will give us our mean and standard deviations. We can also get a measure of effect size, and we can tap into that type 2 error by our power. So click Continue. Then we're going to go under Plots, and we're going to ask for a graph with pets on the X or horizontal axis. And you can get a line chart or a bar chart. I'm going to go with a bar chart. And then we also have our post hocks here. Click Post Hoc, and if you have a significant difference of cuteness for the 3 types of pet, this will tell you where it is. And I'm going to request Tukey. Then you click OK. You're going to get a lot of output. The first box here tells you your sample size for those levels. Here are the means for each of those levels and your standard deviations. And then we come down here, our tested between subjects. We're going to want to go down to that variable of pet, or whichever one we're using, so it's the 3rd row. And we come along here and we look at our sig. If this value is less than 0.05, then yes, there is a difference among the levels of our independent variable. There's the F value that we're going to want, our degree of freedom, and then we're going to step outside of that row to come down here to get our degrees of freedom error. So we're going to have 2, 9. Then we can also get our power, which is over here at 0.97, and our effect size of 0.73. We scroll down here because we do have statistical difference. Where is it? I'm going to ignore this box and get it down here at my Tukey. Here we're looking at the number of columns in the subset. We know we're going to have at least 2 columns because we do have a significant difference. So where is it? We're looking for what is in each column. In column 1, iguana is by itself. So that one is statistically different from the other 2. In column 2, we have both dog and cat. So those 2 are statistically the same. So iguana is different from both cat and dog. We come down here and look at our plots. These 2 are for all intensive purposes the same. Cat and dog have the same cuteness ratings. Iguana is significantly lower.